Imam Malik ibn Anas was born in Medina in the year 711 CE. He grew up surrounded by the descendants of the prophets, peace be upon him, companions. His love for the sayings of the prophet began at an early age. Imam Malik would never narrate a hadith without first making wudu. He believed that speaking the words of the prophet required a state of purity. He would sit with dignity, straighten his posture, and avoid leaning. Before narrating, he would wear his best clothes. He would apply perfume so that he was in the best physical state. Some days, students would see him in fine garments and ask, "Why are you dressed like this?" He would answer, "I am honoring the words of the Messenger of Allah." When he narrated hadith, his face would turn pale from awe and respect. He would never raise his voice when speaking the Prophet's words. Once, a man knocked on his door asking for hadith. Imam Malik came out, prepared as if for a formal gathering, then narrated. He believed that the science of hadith was a sacred trust, not mere information. His students learned not just the words, but the manners of preserving them. Through his example, they understood that respect for knowledge is as important as knowledge itself. Imam Malik became known as the Scholar of Medina. His book, Al-Muwatta, became one of the earliest and most authentic collections of hadith and Islamic law. His life teaches us that true scholarship is built on respect, dignity, and sincerity. Subscribe, like and share Trusstoria channel.